Crisante, the new mineral water in town. The Nature Spring purified water is 100% came from natural spring. This water gone through multi-stage filtration process to ensure that it is safe and clean. This can be your partner while practicing your daily exercises to make you feel refreshed. This ready-to-drink beverage makes it super easy to quench your thirst. It can be also your partner during and after your meals. From digestion and avoid you from choking. If you feel the hot weather while you are playing games, this water can be your allies to defeat your thirst and opponent. Nature Spring purified water is safe drinking water for adult and babies. To ensure cleanliness and safeness of your family, drink what is trusted. Drink Nature Spring purified water. A water came from natural spring.